Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the shop and welcome to the channel for all my new subscribers. Thank you very much. Like I said in the last video, I'm trying to get everything ready for plow day next month down in Greenville, North Carolina. So I ordered some stuff for the Super C because this is the tractor I'm taking. And these are my early birthday presents from my parents and from my wife and two girls. So we're gonna open it up and check it out. We got a new seat for the Super C because my youngest daughter wants to go with me to plow day, and I don't think she'll be too comfortable riding in that middle seat all day. So we got a new one with a little bit of cushion for me too. Okay. New muffler instead of the straight pipe, so we're not deaf by the end of the day. And rain cap, this should be, yep, rain cap. Muffler clamp. Brake and clutch return springs, because one of the clutch pedal spring is broken. So, and they've got a tie wrap on it. And last but not least, new hardware for the seat. Well, that's it for this. So the plan for today is to get started or get back on the model C10 plow, the one bottom 2-point fast hitch plow for this tractor, because that's what I'm taking with me for the plow day. So I'm gonna pause here, get my mess cleaned up, and once I get that done, we'll walk over and see what I've got going on and get started on that. But unfortunately, it is raining outside. It's stopped now, but I don't know when it's gonna start back up, because I wanted to take this stuff outside and hit it with a wire brush real good before I took and put it in the sandblaster, so not to have a lot of excess rust and dirt and stuff in with the media, so it doesn't kill the media. So thanks for tuning in this morning. Stay tuned for the rest of the video, and we'll pick back up here in just a few. Stay tuned. All right, welcome back. I've got everything laid out, like I said in previous video. This one is actually, this piece here is threaded, and this bolt goes into it, and I don't want to break it off inside, and the bolt head itself is rusted away, worn away. So what I'm using is an external bolt remover, and all it is just like a spiral socket, and it's got teeth in it that grip the damaged bolt head and get it off, or try and take it off. But I'm going to use impact gun because this thing's been in here for a while, and I'm just going to bump it a little bit and see if I can get it to break loose. If I can't do that, then we're going to have to come up with something else. So let's see if we can get it to work. Nope, not that one. Okay. No, this isn't going to work. So we're going to have to back up and regroup. So while I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and work on some of the other pieces. I do not want to grind that off, but I may end up having to grind it off when I do this one. And if I do it that way, then it's going to, expose the bolt threads or the threaded part of the bolt, and hopefully I can get it loose there after soaking it with penetrating fluid. But either way, we're gonna get on to cleaning some of this stuff up because, like I said, I've got a lot to do before next month. So I'm gonna pause here and I'm gonna go out and clean all this stuff up with a wire brush because I think the rain has stopped for a little while. Once I get everything cleaned and sandblasted, I'll come back and we'll pick up there. So stay tuned for that and we'll see you then. All right, welcome back. I thought I'd come do a little brief update before I go to town. As you can hear, it is raining. So I've got some of the pieces sandblasted. I just need to get them down here, but with the rain, I'm not gonna carry raw metal or bare metal pieces out in the rain for them to immediately start rusting again, and because that's what I'm trying to get rid of. So I thought I'd come down here and put the new parts on the Super C. I've got the muffler and everything on it. I've got the new seat on it. The only thing I have left to do is install the pedal return springs, which I'll come back down here tonight after supper and get that done. And yes, if you can tell, the muffler is a little bit taller than the door. So I'm probably gonna have to trim the top part of it off so I can get it in and out of the shop. When I built the shop, I didn't plan on doing tractors. I was doing old cars and motorcycles. So I got tired of that and moved to tractors. Well, yep, it's raining even harder now. Well, I'm gonna pause here and hopefully make it to town without running across a flooded road. So thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the end of the video. We'll see you soon. All right, here we are at the end of the day and the end of another video. Well, I got some stuff sandblasted today. Like I said earlier, I believe I've got to order some more media because it's about wore out from sandblasting all the parts for the Alice Chalmers. And tomorrow we say goodbye to the Alice and we're gonna bring the 140 and sit it back there. I've got trash or something in the fuel tank, so I gotta drain the tank and clean it and clean the carburetor and all that stuff and make sure that I'm okay. So this is what I have for today. I got the wheel and the bracket for the coulter, the bracket that mounts to the wheel, mostly the back end stuff. All the larger stuff is still up there in the shop. And like I said, I'm gonna go home and order some media and hopefully they'll ship it tomorrow. So I'll be off the first part of next week. So I can get that finished up and get it painted because we are through with the Super C for now. New alternator and bracket. Got all the grease fittings, like I said in the last video. The new muffler today. The new seat today. Got the clutch pedal spring replaced. 2 new springs on the other side. I've got all the fittings greased. And I think that's pretty much it for the Super C. I'm gonna run it some more and then come back and do another oil change on it to make sure that I've got good, fresh, clean oil going through the motor. So that's it for tonight. I'd like to thank everybody for sticking with me and hanging out. I hope you enjoyed the video. I might do a so long to the Alice tomorrow, but we'll see because like I said, I've got a lot to do and I am moving forward and I'm very glad that the Super C is ready to go. Now I just need to get the plow done so we can get that painted, put together, and go do my garden and make it the plow day. I've got to build a center ramp for the trailer so I can get the Super C up there. It's just a normal car trailer that I've got for now, but I'm gonna build a ramp for it so I can do tricycle tractors and get them up there. So thanks again for tuning in. Thanks again for hanging out to the end of the video. Welcome again if you are new to the channel. So we'll see you in the next video. Have a great night from Old Red Tractors.